August was coming to a close. We were house sitting for a friend, and one morning we tried a local bakery in the small town where they lived. We both worked on our creative projects, and I watched as they milled their own flour. And with the new month came a week of cool air, which was a breath of relief. And so we used it to spend as much time in nature as we could find. It actually feels kind of nice out here tonight. And little signs of the coming season began to pop up all around us. We're here. We caught every sunset that we could and soaked in the beauty as the fiery glow of the setting sun painted the sky before the world settled into its evening slumber. Decided to come out here and walk. The sun was behind the clouds, and so it felt a little bit better out here, and it wasn't quite as bright. But as soon as we got out here, the sun was out from behind the clouds, which has made it very hot and very bright. So everything is very blown out and washed out, and it's very hot. And we brought water. We left it in the car. So, yeah.
We're hoping we make it back.
Yeah, that's where we're at right now.
Clouds look incredible.
They do. It was so cool.
Crazy.
And the draw of the pines was too strong to ignore. So we left the city and drove until the mighty trunks and green needles towered above us. Look at the bridge. With all the, yeah, with all the, like, flowers. Wildflowers in their summer splendor and the towering giants dance to the song of the wind. Summer hadn't quite had its final say. There was deep excitement from even the smallest signs of the coming season.